Tree secured, initiate cut. Cut complete, it's falling. Timber, clear the area. Perfect cut, log is down. These are good, diameter's right.
Continue on highway for 200 miles to paper mill factory.
Copy that, 200 miles.
Crane, proceed to truck 2, ready to unload. Logs released, clear the impact zone. Conveyor active, monitor for jams. Debarker running clean. Pressure's holding good. Pulp is entering the drum filters now. Water and black liquor are separating. Dirty water drains away here. Clean pulp emerges on the right. Pulp flow looks steady. Headbox pressure is optimal. Copy that, monitoring the wire speed now. Draining well, no brakes on the sheet. Parent roll looking good. Parent roll moving to the embosser. Confirmed. Rollers at full speed. Seals are tight.
Pallet 47, ready for loading.
Conveyor running smooth, loading into the truck.
Load count confirmed. Load count confirmed.
In 1 mile, take exit 52B toward downtown. Take the right lane to exit 52B.
Got it, exiting now.
Turn right onto Industrial Way.
Approaching the center, making the turn.
Pulling up to ABC Distribution. Security, documents please. You're clear. Proceed to Bay 3. Copy that, backing in now. Docked and secure. Docks clear, unloading now. Scanning complete, inventory updated.
Copy, send to Zone B. Loading these for the downtown stores. Got it, next batch incoming. The scan confirms. All boxes for store 456 loaded. Confirmed here too, van's ready.
"48 cases, all accounted for."
Great, let's verify.
Confirmed, all set.
Okay, starting with this box of toilet paper. Opening it up now. First packs on the cart. Almost done with this one.
Where's the toilet paper?
It's right here, ma'am.
Oh, thanks. This brand is on sale?
If you learned something new today, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this with someone who'd love to know how everyday things are made.